So, standing here in Kingwa Valley, Paradise Valley, in southern Greenland. Behind me is the most incredible mountains and glaciers pouring off the top of them down into this freshwater lake, which has a very short river running out to the fjord, and the guys are fishing the river at the moment. And I won't be able to talk for too long because the Greenlandic Air Force have found me and are going to be slowly eating me alive, which is why I have this net over my head, and it's about to be over my face as well. So we're fishing for the morning and wandering around these hills, and yeah, we're roughly maybe a week away from our Greenland departure. We're starting to eye up a good weather window midway through next week, which would see us to Westmania Islands off the south coast of Iceland, and we'll use that as a hop off for heading to Ireland, possibly via the Faroe Islands if we can't get a straight hop to Ireland. But this is the most beautiful place I've ever been in the world. It's like the Himalayas with sea locks all through them, you know, with fjords everywhere, and lakes, glaciers, wildlife, and there's nobody here. So I can't recommend Greenland highly enough. It's just a stunningly beautiful place, very unspoilt, and incredible. Problem now is this will have me completely spoilt for everywhere else in the world. It looks very like coral, yeah. Coral head growler. I absolutely would not want to hit that. There's your absolute classic tabular fjord, or tabular iceberg ahead there. Really well indeed. Oh my god, this is class. You alright? Oh shit. Does she need dumping? What do you say? Let's throw this on the chair. Yeah, that's alright.
I'm surprised they're standing here with those icebergs.
I don't think there's a huge amount of choice, is there? Have you seen all the icebergs up the fjord? Yeah. Tiny little town in here, but we don't fancy going on the town side. There's a sheltered anchorage around the other side, shelter from the south, which is where the swell is going to be coming in. We're heading towards PCS now, the Prince Christian Sound, but it'll be another few days before we get there. We're kind of making our way slowly southwards and towards the entrance to the fjord that leads to Prince Christian Sound. This is another fjord just to the west of there. One of our buddy boats, Nebu, behind us.
Still, what all the fuss was about. That was great sailing.
Still in the woody walls, but nearly out of it. It's amazing, isn't it?
Eye orgasms. Yeah. I think we check this anchorage, see what it's like. Yeah, just there, yeah. We check that anchorage.
reckon that's going to be our first real glacier up there, right?
I think that one touches the bottom.
Yeah, we should see the edge pretty clearly though.
The edge of the glacier.
Entrance to PCS, Prince Christian Sound. So we're motoring up Prince Christian Sound. Very, very dramatic landscape. Going over next to these tall mountain cliffs just to get some drone shots. It really is stunning. This glacier up there. It's retreated to the extent that it's not calving into the sound anymore. I think there is still one glacier that does calve into the sound. So that will be interesting. No sail today. The wind is pretty much just channeling down the sound as we kind of thought it would. So we'll just motor up and charge the batteries as much as we can. Aapilitoq, Prince Christian Sound. No room at the end, so we're anchored in the bay. Sorry. Wall of ice. In there against it is humongous. In fact, you can zoom in and see Linnea for scale.